Welcome to the Buckinghamshire Family Information Service directory. To access the directory, head to directory.familyinfo.buckinghamshire.gov.uk. You can also get to the directory from our website by clicking the blue search icon, then search organisations or activities on the directory. Please note, if you search for something on our website, you will only get results relating to our web content, not directory records. You will need to use the search function once you are on the directory to find the records you are looking for. The directory has a range of services or providers from both Buckinghamshire Council and outside organisations. On the left-hand side, you have filters to help you find what you are looking for. Once you have selected your filter, you can then break this down further by category. For example, activities for babies and toddlers. If you are using a mobile, you will need to click Show Filters. This will reveal the same filters and categories that are available on the desktop site. You can also search for listings using the search box at the top, for example, by searching the word toddler. For a more specific search, use quotation marks at the beginning and the end of your search phrase, such as "play and explore". This will only bring up results with exactly the same title. The location search bar lets you search for records in a specific town or postcode, such as Aylesbury. Clicking on Show Map brings up an interactive map. Please note this will only show records from that page of results, so don't forget to scroll down and click Next Page to see more results. Other filters available include Send Needs, Ages, whether the listing is free, and the days they run. You can also pin any records that you like to save you needing to search for them again in the future. To do this, all you need to do is click Add to Pins on the record you are viewing. You can pin multiple records if you wish. To see the records you have saved, click See Pinned Services. From here, you can print the list or send it in an email if you want.